July 8, 2024. Stress-free nagising. I hope you are also awake. Salamat sa araw na to. Ito, kasalubong yung mga tuta. At least buhay, no? Sanabi ko, stress free, walang problema, dahil nagsikap tayo noon 3 dekada para buhayin ang pamilya. Kung pwede lang, ayaw ko nang magising ako na nag-iisip na paslit patutulogin o pinakamatanda patutulogin. Ayaw ko na. Kung pwede lang, I have to regain my strength. Stress free, 66 years old. No reason why to be stressed out again. Ayaw kong isipin na maghirap uli para buhayin yung inoopera. So let them sleep and go back to life again. Very difficult job. Congrats to all active practitioner in anesthesia. Active practitioner for that matter. Congrats. You are making my day. Dito kami nagbabantay ng apo, Chloe.